Good morning, Lake Wylie. My name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie, and we're here today presenting the 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser Heritage Edition. This is going to be featured in the black sapphire, beautiful with our black powder coated rails, sure shade power bimini, and 150 horsepower Mercury. Come on board, I'll tell you all about it. All right, welcome aboard everybody, the 2025 Harris 230 Cruiser Heritage Edition. Again, this is going to be our center walk-through dual helm layout. In the back, we've got cup holders on either side, both port and starboard. So you've got lots of storage back here for your sandbar days. Ski tow rated to 1,000 pounds. It's perfect for all your tubing and wakeboarding events. 150 horsepower Mercury. And this incredible lily pad ladder. You're going to love the way this folds down. Very easy to get on and off board. Flip up cleats, a Harris standard. Nice walk-through door here as keep all your the little ones in, pets, even a few of the adults. Storage is amazing on this boat here. So you've got this incredible layout here, so anybody can watch the surfers, the wakeboarders, the tubers right from here. Storage underneath, speakers throughout, fantastic sound system. But also, I want to point out this recessed area here. So this is great for your little storage items, but you also have your charging ports. This is going to be USB and USB-C. Now, as we come on into the cockpit area, the dual helm layout, incredibly comfortable chairs, reclining. These are going to spin all the way around, so no matter how you want your configuration to be, you've got that flexibility. Now over here at the helm, we do have our analog gauges with our digital readout for your depth finder and a few other items there. We've got our master power, but also our power top here, right? So this is fantastic. This sure shade power top folds down incredibly quick, incredibly easy. So very smooth functioning access. Storage here, perfect for your cover. And then again, as we come into the bow area, nice, beautiful seating throughout. The bolsters are in perfect position. Very comfortable boat. Again, my name's Adam with MarineMax Lake Wylie. This has been the 2025 Harris Cruiser 230 Heritage Edition. Thank you.